What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Haven the Groomer, and I'm back with another one. Today, I'll be demonstrating the drop fade with texture on top. And if you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe while I continue to grow and give you guys some awesome content going forward. So we're gonna get straight into this haircut. I'm gonna take my masters and I'm gonna open it all the way up. That's gonna be my first initial guideline. Now I'm gonna take my taper comb and I'm gonna start doing some clip over comb, and I'm gonna do a little freehand using the corner of my blade. Make sure to take your time during this time in this process because you don't want to create a new guideline. Now I'm gonna take my flat tooth comb and I'm gonna do some more clip over comb on the longer and thicker areas of the hair. Now I'm gonna take my trimmers and I'm gonna bald out the bottom of the fade. Now I'm gonna take my masters and I'm gonna close it up and start erasing that initial guideline I did with my trimmers. Man, that fade is coming together clean. So we're gonna do the same technique, same steps I did on the other side to this side as well. You probably can see it even better on this side. It's so important to my barbers out there, especially, not only the new school barbers, but the old school barbers as well. It's so important to try different things behind the chair, because at the end of the day, you don't want to get burnt out. You gotta be able to do different type of styles and different type of techniques to achieve the same type of look you're going for. It makes barbering that much fun. So I'm doing the same thing on the back. I'm, using the corner of my blade and just getting rid of all the lines of demarcation that I see. And it's so important that you keep the fade below the occipital bone. That's a true drop fade. And just by looking at this fade, boy, sheesh, came together quick, didn't it? All right, so right now I'm throwing some styling mousse on my client's hair. I like to style it before I line it up so it gives me a better opportunity of the final look. Now I'm using my sister's comb here, Miss Jewel, to give it a texture to it, give it a more curly look. And now all I'm doing is combing hair down, and I'm gonna prep the line and I'm gonna bring it down in the front so that his lineup is laying down nicely. I'm gonna throw some hose spray on top of there as well. Now I'm taking my edges, I'm gonna give him a nice C cup. I'm gonna connect his beard and the fade together. Boy, look at them liners, boy, they hitting today. Sheesh. Start from the middle now. Now all I'm doing is connecting the dots. Keeping it sharp, but natural too. No pushbacks over here. Now I'm giving my client a part. I feel like this part really brings the haircut to life. it kind of screams corporate, yet has an edge to himself as well. Usually I just throw the razor on the beard, but my liner is hitting so good today, I just had to use one on his beard. How many of y'all be doing the same thing? Now I'm gonna throw a little bit of enhancement on my client, so make sure when he leave out my chair, he's looking like $1 million. Now I use Kiss Express, but I also use hair fibers as well to kind of bring the tone down. Now I'm gonna use a pencil right here. Usually I don't use the pencil, but I got some clients. Well, not some clients. Sorry, some young barbers in my shop that uses the pencil, and so let me try it on. Let me see what it's talking about. I like it though. It kind of gives a settled look. Now I gotta throw that razor on there. Y'all know me. If I never threw the razor on you, it never happened. I gotta give him that Popeye's chicken with extra fries with a 2-piece. You feel me? As you see, when you're raising up, man, pull that skin nice and tight, so you're getting that clean, sharp look. Boy, whew, crispy. Finishing touches on my man. Now, I hope you guys really enjoyed this haircut. If you do, give me a thumbs up, show me some love, be sure to subscribe. This is the final product. Drop fade, no guards were used. Y'all be blessed, man. Enjoy y'all day. One love.